Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on Liam's Weather. I am your meteorologist Sam Kenny and welcome back to another video. I apologize that I haven't been doing many videos throughout the past couple of days. My teammate Will Rowe has actually been in town, so I've been spending a lot of time with him. We did do a video together, however, it did not come out that well. The sound was messed up and we had to do a lot of different tries, so for that reason I didn't post it. However, he's going to be leaving tomorrow. So that is why I'm back to doing more videos. This video is going to be mostly about what is currently going on in the tropics because we have several different areas right now that we're watching. One of them could potentially be the first hurricane in the Pacific. So here are our main weather headlines. Invest 95L has formed and now has a slight chance of developing into something throughout the next 3 to 5 days. And then also Invest 95E has a very high chance of forming into something and could potentially be the first hurricane in the Pacific Ocean. So here's a current look at our Atlantic tropical outlook. As you can see, two different areas of possible development. One right here really doesn't have that great chance of forming. If it does going to be forming, it might impact some parts of the Lesser Antilles, but as I said, it really doesn't have that high chance of developing. However, as we head back towards our east, just off of the western coast of Africa, we do have a brand new area of development. It has about a 60 to 70% chance of forming into something. Once again, it is now just to the south of the Cabo Verde Islands. And as it continues to head eastward, it is going to be heading into some very warm ocean waters. The waters in this general area really aren't that warm. However, as you head into this general area right there, we're seeing water temperatures in the 80s and 90s. So very warm water temperatures. And you all know as soon as a tropical system hits an area that it has very warm sea surface temperatures, that is an ingredient to fueling potential tropical systems. So here's the latest enhanced satellite. As you can see, some very deep convection across the western interior of the system. Not really much back out towards the east, but still we're seeing some pretty good convection with the system. Here's the latest track of this. As you can see, all the forecast models are showing it heading east, possibly going right over the Lesser Antilles, and then maybe going just to the west of Cuba, and then also maybe going just to the southwest of the Bahama Islands, heading right into the Caribbean Sea. Now, as far as impacts go for the United States, it's still way too early to tell. Once again, it is way back here just off of the western coast of Africa. So as soon as it gets closer to this general area and eventually into the Caribbean Sea, we will definitely have more knowledge on this system as it continues. So here are what we're expecting the winds to get up to. As you can see, some of them haven't making to Category 1 stance. It'll probably definitely become a tropical system or a tropical depression within the next couple of days. Once it reaches winds over 45 miles an hour. Once again, some of the models have it going up to Category 1 strength as of right now. But once again, it really is too early to know. However, we will keep a very close eye on the system as it heads closer to the United States mainland. Now let's talk about the Pacific Ocean, because once again, we have our Invest 95E right here. Once again, because it is in that red, it has a very high chance of forming right now. I think it has a 90% chance of forming into something. And as you can see by the forecast models, it'll be basically just off of the southwestern coast of Mexico. So here is the latest enhanced satellite. As you can see, some really deep convection basically everywhere you look, especially in this general area right here. But basically anywhere you look, you have really deep convection. Basically anywhere you look. Here's the latest models. Once again, they do have that pressure decreasing. So we are expecting the system to strengthen, maybe even become the first hurricane of this season. And as you can see, all the models are showing it at least making it to tropical storm strength. A couple of the models have it basically just making it to hurricane strength. I think if it does become a hurricane, it will not be anything stronger than a Category 1. However, it could become the first hurricane of the 2021 hurricane season. Not necessarily in the Atlantic, but definitely in the Pacific, all right? So that is it for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll be posting a brand new video later today featuring the latest severe weather outlook, as we do have a low pressure system forming over the central plains that could bring a chance of severe weather as we head into this afternoon. Once again, that will all be posted on my website right here at www.liamsweather.org, and I will also be posting all the announcements on my Twitter and also my Facebook, so be sure that you're following me on Twitter at LiamsWeather621. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel at Liam's Weather on YouTube, and also be sure that you're following me on Facebook at Liam Kenny. So that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.